I have a dream, a big one. I want to travel the world. But here is something that most people do not see. I am not starting big, I am starting small. So I want to share with you how a big dream can sometimes start from a very small place. Because sometimes the dream is not the problem. Because sometimes the dream is not the problem. Maybe the starting point sometimes feels too small. Hi, welcome to Elena Adventures. If you are new here, this space is about travel, exploration, and discovering new places, culture, and people across Kenya and beyond. But today's video is personal because I want to share with you something that I have been carrying in my heart every day. My dream of traveling the world, not about one country or one city, but experiencing new culture, places, people, and stories across the globe. But right now, I'm not there yet, and that's okay because even a small journey or every journey starts somewhere small. So today, I want to share with you my dream, my reality, and how I'm starting anyway. So my dream of traveling the world did not start with just uh, big or luxurious travel videos or big destinations. It started with curiosity. So when I see people visiting or exploring new places, it made me wonder, how does it feel like to wake up in a completely new environment? And then how does it feel like to meet new people from different cultures? And how does the world look like beyond what I see every day? And that curiosity turned into something big. It became a dream. And sometimes dreams like this can sometimes feel big, sometimes too big, because when you look at the world, it feels that it's far away. But I learned something important. The big dreams are not meant to scare us, they are meant to guide us. Well, I'll be honest with you. When I look at my dream of traveling the world and I look at where I am right now, it sometimes feels that there's a very big gap because, starting small, it does not always feel exciting because starting small sometimes feels like uncertainty, it feels like limited resources, it feels like small progress and waiting. And sometimes you may even ask yourself, is this even possible for me? But then I realized something. Every big traveler or every big world traveler started somewhere small. Everyone started with one step, started with one decision, and started with one small beginning. And that's exactly where I am right now. So what does starting small looks like for me? Okay, let me break down. Number one, starting with mindset. Before I travel anywhere, I want to begin with, or I'm learning how to think like a traveler because, as you know, traveling or anything that you're going to do, we start from the mind first. Then, number two, exploring locally first because even if my environment is small, I believe that even places have stories that are worth telling. Then, number three, documenting my journey as it grows, because I don't want just to tell you this or show you the destination. I want to also show you the journey too. Then number four, building step by step. No rush, no forcing everything at once, just building slowly and consistently. Well, Up to this point, I now want to hear from you. What is your biggest dream right now? And does it sometimes feel too big? And then also, if you could travel anywhere in the world right now, where would you go first and why? Okay, there's one thing that I've learned. One thing that I've learned is this: um, small beginnings. Small beginning is not a weakness. It's actually where strengths are built, because when you begin small, or when you start small, you learn patience, you build consistency, then you develop discipline, and you appreciate growth, and most importantly, you learn to most importantly you will learn to trust the process, because one day those small beginnings, or those small steps, or those things that you are doing at the beginning that seemed small, will one day turn into big things that you ever imagined. And I believe that my journey will grow that way too. So yes, I have a dream, and my dream is to travel the world. But I am not waiting. I am not waiting to start big. I am building everything small as I grow. And I believe that the small steps that I'm making, or the small step that I'm making today, will turn into a big journey tomorrow. So, as I believe in you, I want to leave you with one simple question. Do you think that a small beginning, or a small journey, can lead to a big destination? Leave your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, kindly like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to Elena Adventures. Until next time, bye.